Here is the Swiss Franc Japanese Yen currency pair. We're going to apply the strategy from My Trendline Breakout Strategy book. Just put the trend line on. It's so simple. You too can make money from home using this strategy. In this video, we're going to show you how. Here's the disclaimer. It's required by law. And as you know, we enter all trades with risk. Please subscribe. Let's get to it. Hey traders, welcome. Let's have a quick review of this beautiful trade that occurred on the Swiss yen. That's the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen. It's a beautiful trend. It's just amazing what happens when you put a trend line on the chart, right? Put a trend line on the chart. When it breaks and it comes down like this, you are literally getting money paid into your bank account from the Forex market. This was a trade here that we took. It's a beautiful trade. And this is the one in question right here. So here we are currently. We're on the hour chart. As you can see here, it's a 1 hour chart. So this is trade. But as always, what we're going to do, we're going to drop down to the 15-minute chart. Again, this is just a short, very short video. But you notice how beautiful. It looks even more beautiful when you come down to the 15-minute chart. These type of trades happen continuously in the Forex market. Probably they happen in stocks too, but I trade the Forex. And well, you can see what we do. And this is just going to be a very, very, very short video. We're not going to spend too much time on it. But what we are going to do is what we always do. We're just going to put the lipstick on the trade. Shall we do that? Swing low time. Okay. It's quite interesting that this little thing here, it looks very much like, can you remember, we've done a video on this before, guys. It's called a bear flag. Specifically, I can call a video that we did on gold. The exact same setup. So if you go back up through our videos, you'll see that one on gold. Same setup. Here we are on the Swiss Franc Japanese Yen. Just to show these setups occur on multiple currency pairs. Okay. But our job is very simple. Trend line break, right? And then what you're going to do, you're going to put the lipstick on. Now, notice with this trade, we didn't get our pullback to where we expected, but such is life. It's not always going to happen that way, is it? So that would have, we're not going to make up rules. We know what our rules were, and we know what our rules are. That would have been entry one. It didn't get back to entry one. That's fair enough. That's fine. We're completely okay with that because we have entry number 2, don't we? Right? And then we have target 1 and target 2. Very simple, very simple, very simple strategy, right? There we go. Right? Entry 1, entry. Oh, come on, son. Target. It's your target. Right, you got target 1 and we got target 2. And then all we're doing is we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk away. Very, very simple. See? Trades like these, we put it on our watch list. For example, right now we have the Australian dollar, the Australian yen, Australian Swiss, the dollar CAD. I mean, there's several currencies, but right now that's on the watch list. We had a beautiful trade on the US dollar Swiss franc head and shoulder pattern. We did a video on that one. That one's gone to target and it's continuing to climb. It's climbing in the channel right now. Another beautiful trade. By the way, we have to mitigate our risk. And how do we do that? Is because we put a stop loss above the 0.0, right? And this is trading. Have a specific, clearly identifiable plan and stick to it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. Just like going to McDonald's. Their burgers come out the same way every time. In fact, a McDonald's franchise, wherever you go on the planet, it's the Golden Arches. Wherever you go, do the same thing in the Forex market and you can make money. So here we are. If you want to look at it from this side here, we've got quite a climber. It's climbed up. You land on a chart, you see it's looking like this. You put your trend line on, and what you then do is you're gonna wait, aren't you? Your trend line's on, you're gonna wait to see what happens. And somehow, there you go. You see it coming down like, oh Lord, it's broken the trend line. Wow. Well, I'm going to put my fibs on, right? And I'm going to make the chart look real good, right? That's what you're going to do. You're going to mark your entry. That's at the 100. That's your entry number 2, right? Then you're going to wait for the pullback. Now you want it to go back up there, right? You want it to go back up to the 50, right about the 50%. That's where you want it to go, right? It's going back now. A day has gone by. It hasn't gone back. Let's see. Look at that. A whole day's gone by. All right. Well, let's see what happens. Is it going to go back down day 2? Notice we're just going across. We're replaying the situation. There we are. Is it going to go up there and get the entry? Boom. Now we're in on entry 2. There's no doubt about it. It's broken down below that 100 line, right? So we're in on entry number 2. Is it going to get up there and give us our payment from that 50% pullback? Oh, we hit the 127. It could wick back up there and hit the 50. Remember, we got target 1, we got target 2 on there, right? It could whip back up and give us that 50. Is it going to do it? I mean, this is how you practice. You can practice like this. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Oh, it hit the 150. You could have took profit there, or you could go for the 1618. I tend to like to go in the middle. Boom. That's profit right there. It obviously it didn't go up to the 50. So here's you've got wicked in down here, right? And you've gone to the 618. 65 pips. Come on, guys. That's not bad. That's okay. 65 pips. That's okay. If you got your runner in there, will it go? Boom. Yep. Target 2. Oh, it's gone beyond target, but hey, that's profit at target 2, isn't it? All depends on how you traded this. That's 114 from entry 2. Oh, it would have been beautiful if it got in from entry 1, but we only got it from entry 2. So it was your choice, really. From entry 2, depending on how you traded it, you got what, around about 65, 70 pips to target 1, right? All depending on how you traded this, remember. And then you got 114 pips to target number 2. 65 plus 114 is what? 179. 179. If you're doing £1 a pip, 179. But if you're doing 10 pounds a pip, that's a lot of money. That's 1,000 beyond pounds. 10 lots. Good Lord, you're in heaven. But so this simple trade follows a strategy. All the pointers are on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trend line 6. The fib is 7, and literally now it's just a matter of time waiting for the trade. Hope you enjoyed this trade. Please consider us. You know, we have many more trades coming up, as I mentioned to you at the outset. So subscribe, like, give a comment, and we are responsive to the comments that you put in the YouTube comments box. And share the video with other like-minded friends. There could be just one thing you see in this video that could turn your trading around. It could be just one thing. And, you know, if that is beneficial to you, hey, good on you, mate. Well done. Have at it. Make some money. Trade in the financial markets. These banks have ripped us off. Funny enough, I got a bank's letter from my bank recently. The interest rate's already at 0.0 something. And the letter said that they're reducing. I'm like, reduce? There's nothing to reduce. I mean, come on. What's the point of even sending a letter? You know, simple strategy where you can earn a reasonable percentage gain on your money. Right now, banks are not giving you any interest on your money, yet they're in the financial markets trading your money. So till the next video, this is a short one. Thank you for your time. We do appreciate it, and please share. See you soon. Bye-bye.